Practice test 24, cultural assimilation. Today, let's look at the concept of cultural assimilation, which occurs when individuals or groups adopt the culture of another society, often losing some of their original identity. Assimilation can happen voluntarily or through pressure. It can involve language, customs, food, or religion. For example, consider immigrants in the United States. Many families adopt English as their main language. Over generations, children may lose their parents' native language. They may also celebrate American holidays like Thanksgiving while practicing fewer other traditional customs. Another example is indigenous communities under colonial rule. Colonizers often pressured native people to adopt their language and religion. In some cases, local traditions were discouraged or even banned, leading to cultural loss. These examples show that assimilation can help people fit into new societies, but also reduce cultural diversity. The professor explains cultural assimilation. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.